to another one of my videos. For those who don't know me, hi. My name is Brittany, and to all those who are new subscribers, welcome to the family. For returning subscribers, good to have you back. So
Who wants Guinness?
hi guys, I'm
Guinness.
and we're at the countryside. Well, actually, this is where I grew up. Yes, this is where all of us grew. It's in that's too much. You can just cut out that. It's in country, and we have a lot of fruit trees. We have like, for instance, you guys buy. I know
Mango. Mango. And coconut. Plum. Apple.
So we can actually make money off of this because we have guinea, we have coconut, we have
I just with them food. Eat everything.
mango for kill.
Mango for stone dog.
Here also, we have banana. What else? Yam. Dasheen.
I think we all have potato.
We have all of the good things them, So yeah, so them are talking nothing now then they. These are my cousins. My two crazy cousins. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Trissy.
And I'm Nisi. Yes. So as you guys can tell from the title below, we'll be doing the who's most likely to challenge. And we're gonna start with who's most likely to sleepwalk.
Tanis.
You, Tanis.
Yeah.
You're mad. We're gone mad now.
You've been mad.
Who's most likely to be the most sarcastic?
Tanis.
I feel like a Tanis too.
Always. Can't tell a girl serious right now.
Who's most likely to become a nun?
You. I think I'm
I'm not saying you.
Alright.
Who's most likely to fall in the shower?
You.
Fall?
Yes.
Me? You?
No, I wouldn't Tanis, so that must be me. I'm dropping there already. Remember them there go to school and they laugh.
Never yet drop in the shower.
What's up?
Who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? Tanis. Not serious. But yeah, they do. It only serious if you want it to be. You're gonna laugh regardless. Sorry. We'll tell us sorry after though. Who's most likely to fall asleep on a date? If you're bored, me go fall asleep. If you're bored, I'm gonna leave.
That's disrespect.
If you're bored, never left. See, that's the thing, guys. Not the person who will go on dates. I'm not going to no date with no going somebody. I'm not going to date no going somebody. But
They must always have you out of
but
breath.
sometimes, no, like, no, in our
Literally.
relationship. Sometimes in our relationship, I just like one date. Me and nobody know we're boring on the friend, so I don't know. Can't touch that topic thing. You know, you have to cut this out. Who's most likely to call in sick at work just to travel for a concert?
I haven't started working.
So we do it next time.
You lie one time.
Not me. Who's most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their crush? I don't have crush. I don't have crush neither. But you feel like you. You really have one crush, you feel like you don't do it.
Me.
And it's not like you don't do it on purpose, no. It just happen. No?
Finish, I like a person that have no emotion.
Exactly, so they will never know.
And it wouldn't be me.
See, you don't know me. Alright. Who's most likely to snore the lowest? Tanis.
All hours. You're snorting, so don't laugh.
You snore?
Of course.
Really? I don't snore.
No, you're jabongi. No, because I always play something in the background, so that's when I feel like me snore. It's not snoring, guys.
No, it's Ryan Bungie.
I've never slept beside you, don't snore.
Because it always comes to me when I'm stuffy.
All year round, every time.
Every day, every night.
Yeah, you snore loud, man.
No, me have sinus, so me
And
can't
then,
breathe.
and you
It's
do
right,
this
yes.
thing.
Swear one,
You just put your head on my ears and stuff.
Alarm.
I joke me there, make it. Good.
Next question, I shall
Come on.
Who's most likely to kill someone by accident?
By accident?
By accident.
When I do that?
You have to be capable.
No, it's just like you would go and lick him like a
Or
show
like when
had
you
a panty or
drive.
something.
Like when you're driving where you floor it.
I'm only driving. They get better, they give me one lick in their head and just get that back.
You remember? You remember what you see? You said, if you want that be dead.
Am I?
Oh, Lord, we have a lot of edible story to share. A lot.
Who's most likely to cry at their wedding? You know me go cry.
Cry?
Yeah, cry. Cry at your wedding. With a ball.
Where's the piece of snack? I'm like,
Man.
excuse me, pastor, give me a minute, please. I'm gonna stay this in the mind.
I'm go happy. Tears of joy. And you look good and you look on where you're married. I said,
I'm
Jesus.
gonna have to ask you a second. Give me a second, please, guys. Hold up. Just 10 minutes max. Promise y'all.
Who's most likely? No. Not good at all.
The bomb actually go dead.
That's the channel of delete. Go on.
Who's most likely to break someone's heart? I feel like me and Tanya.
I don't understand what you guys take me for.
You're not having
Nothing
emotions.
you. Think Tani.
No, I remember a couple hearts.
But when they tell you like and then they say no, you're not feel the same, I move on.
No, girl.
Like literally they were the person in the house left with my broken heart and him heartbroken. That's a Tani's. That means can't look on you and
It's
stand.
always the silence reverse that run the deepest.
You're just gonna stand and just bored.
Not boring. That boring. There's a difference between
Come
that
and put a phone battery there.
and that. I know how to purchase so hard still.
Anyway, the more broke yours.
When I get that attached. Attachment issues. Who's most likely to get a tattoo?
Not you.
I feel like I review.
Can you right? Me?
I don't know, I just feel like you're gonna get tattoo.
You mean piercing?
You're gonna get tattoo?
Well, it's a small something like that. Small. Yes. Just nothing.
Nothing. Who's most likely to have the most children? Tanya.
You.
Who, me? Oh, Tanya, yes.
Yeah. If you have.
Me mad.
Yeah, but that's why they have parents.
Me a stress.
So what would you be? They have parents.
Yeah, when they might give me trouble, then go to the other parents. Or then grandparents.
That's what they'll pay for them.
And every grandparent, so what I be on the grandparents now go on them picnic to take care of.
My mother go have it to take care of.
And every grandparent want it.
My go have it though. Oh, she go have it though.
Next question.
Who's most likely to get married first? Denise.
No, Brittany, that's you.
Exactly.
You look like you love it every time.
Exactly. I'm not.
You just look like the type. Not even
Me.
You feel like you're gonna get married
No.
first?
You.
I always want them to say, no. And then they come 1 month later. I'm engaged.
does seem like you.
Right.
Maybe your mindset is not, but
People are looking at it.
Who's most likely to get a BBL?
Me?
Yep. Definitely you.
Look at me. What you foreigners to me yet?
Like surgery or something there.
Not necessarily
It's not
BBL.
like me afraid of legal and all that sitting there. So that's why I'm gonna put myself on that.
You feel like my daddy you want me to do something you suck. Okay, don't care about them. It's like a suction.
Oh, if I'm something. Yeah, my dad did that. So.
It looks so hard.
Yeah, not really answer.
That mother do.
Who's most likely to be successful?
Everybody.
All the way. Because it's growing for everybody.
Hi.
Bright spots. We call it? No. Determined, yes. And final question. Who's most likely to call off a wedding for the simplest reason?
You.
No.
Who?
You would call off a wedding for the simplest reason?
Seriously, I ain't nothing but me, so you.
No.
That's what you think.
I'm not calling you.
What question I want to listen?
Oh my cat died. No, girl, that's not.
Max
no.
said.
I mean something simple like with the man, like one mistake where I make, but just most people that look simple.
But that's not simple, same way a cat dead, not simple.
Me not to like, me not to put one cat.
It's an
Or
example.
one cat.
Example.
Me not to marry that.
Exactly.
Anyway, so that is
wrap.
it for this video. And peace. That you're dead. And
Thank you guys for watching. Welcome. Goodbye.
no.
Bye. Sure know which part we're there.
Wait, let me do something first.
We're at the Guinea tree.
Wait.
Talk, girl, talk. Big Guinea tree.
Wait,
They have a coconut tree right there.
Wait, man.
Night I come down, and then we sit down in front of the Guinea tree.
Yeah. So, the first person to comment in the comment section.
Don't know what else to comment. The description.
What was the name of the first school I ever went? For no, and
Guys.
nice. You can't say it, so you can't give me.
I just cut it out there. Okay, guys, pretend I never say it. Get $500 credit.
Yes, watch it in
Whether Lime, DG, anybody.
So the answer to this is in the video that comes before this, which is the Who Knows Me Best. So go watch that, come back, comment your answer. The first person to get the correct answer to the first school I've ever went to, $500 credit. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Follow me on my social media
Come out to the
platforms.
party.
Links below. Follow her on Instagram at
ne.kakes.
and her business page at
Millionaire Aesthetics.
Yep.
For all the good skincare, guys, and I cook at T's Cuisine. That's TSKUISINE. I'm sorry.
All of her links will be in the description box below, and her Instagram at Tracy_She. Link in the description box below. So thank you guys for watching.